Guys, the day has finally arrived and I have received my iPhone 16 Pro Max 256 GB in Desert Titanium color. Let's just do the unboxing and see what we've got in there. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's just look at the accessories first. We've got the new USB-C cable, that's the standard, and then you've got your pin to basically put your SIM card in. Other than that, we just got standard some papers and stuff inside. Apple used to do Apple stickers inside, but they don't do anymore. That's the phone. It looks a bit like a mixture of rose gold and champagne gold, I would say, but it is definitely a beautiful phone.